Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to link an existing Excel table into AutoCAD and how to create an AutoCAD table data link and how to update AutoCAD Excel data link table. So first, you must open any particular file which contains any floor plans which needs a table which you're going to relate to your floor plan. So if you want to create a data link table, you just have to make sure you are currently under the Home tab. So I'm just going to click this Home tab button here and click this table button here. So I'm going to click this now to create a data link table. So from here, from this dialog box here, I can actually link with my current existing table, Excel table, which I want to transfer to my AutoCAD. So this particular file, Excel file, is titled FL Condo here. Alright, so you just need to click this particular insert table button here under the Home tab. Alright, under the Home tab. So you just click this button, table, and click from a data link option here. Click this button to enable the dialog manager of the data link table. Just click this to create a new Excel data link. So I'm gonna just name this as FL Condo. You can name it anything you want and click OK. Alright, so this option lets us to browse a particular Excel file which we want to insert, which we want to link into this particular AutoCAD file. So I'm just going to click here to browse through my Excel file, which is this. So I'm going to double click this to select the file. Once the file has been selected, this particular dialog manager will give you a preview of the table right down here. Alright, so we're just going to accept all the default options here and click OK. Alright, click OK also here to confirm that, and click OK here also, and just locate the table here. So you can see that this table is pointed in this particular plan, but it is too small, so we have to scale it bigger or larger. So scale up using the scale command, SC enter. Choose this particular command, scale, select the whole table, enter, click a base point, and when it asks for a scale factor, I'm gonna type 1000, enter, to scale it up 1000 times bigger. So this is the particular table which you have obtained by linking to this Microsoft Excel table here. Alright, so let's say you have to amend this table. Alright, let's say I have to amend or to modify the name of the furniture items or the product number. You can edit this particular table, and later you can update into this particular current table which you have linked. Alright, so I'm just gonna make some amendments here. So like this particular bedroom set, I'm gonna change it to bathroom set, for example. So I'm going to change this product number code to BT707. Alright. I'm also going to change the unit cost of this particular bathroom set. So I'm going to change it to 6,600. Alright. So this particular C sofa, I'm going to change it to L sofa. And I'm also going to change the product number to LS707. So these are the modification that I did just now. So I'm going to change this unit cost also for the L sofa. So I'm going to increase it to 5,500 per unit cost of this particular item. So later I'm going to save this file. Click save. Alright, click save here. And go back to my AutoCAD file. Select this table. Right click and choose update table data links. Alright, the moment I click here, right, AutoCAD is going to update the amendments that I did just now using my Excel. So you can see this AutoCAD table is kind of dynamic, where you can actually change the data here in the Excel document and further update it into this particular data link table. But what if you want to change or edit in this particular current data link table here? So in this table generated using AutoCAD, right, if let's say you want to edit a particular text or a particular cell, you must first select that cell and go to the above option here, where you must unlock that cell first. So I'm going to unlock it first. Let's say I've already unlocked it. Then if I want to change this text, right, I can double click inside the text and I can change to Q1. Let's see. This is just an example where I can change or edit my text here. So I can also change this particular text here. Go on the above option here, change to unlock. Alright, and then I can double click inside the cell where I can change the text inside the cell. And there you go. So now you have already inserted a data link table in AutoCAD, alright, originating from this Excel document. So I hope this tutorial will benefit all of you in generating tables inside your floor plans or any types of drawings fast and more efficient. Thank you for watching.